Hello, today I'll show you how you can log into your POF account. So it's one of the famous dating website, Plenty of Fish, and yeah, you can find your perfect match online. Alright, so let's get started. So first you need to open the POF website, which is pof.com. Hit pof.com on your web browser, and yeah, this is the home page right here. Alright, so here is the sign up form if you're looking for the new account. And yeah, it's free. You can sign up for free and you can download the apps. Alright, so here on the home page on the right section you can see the login form. That it's quick login form. You can log in through here, or you can just click on this sign in, and on the next page, yeah, the same login form is here. Just put your email or username, then hit your password, then click on check email. Alright, so once you signed in, then you'd be able to use full POF features, which are like you'd be able to find your dating partner around your areas based on your interest. Yeah, POF is quite good for its feature, and as you can see, there are lots of people, like more than 600,000 people are online at the moment. So yeah, there's a lot and lots of traffic. Sometimes the homepage took a little time to get load, but yeah, it works fine. So this is all. This is how you log into your PF account. Thank you so much for watching.